Hi there! Today I'm showing you how to add a staff member. To start, let's head over to Setup, Staff. Click on Add Staff, add their name, email and phone number and the permissions. There are 5 possible staff roles. Can view on appointments, can view all appointments, can view and edit all appointments, and system admin, the account creator. Now select the services your staff member can take. After this, your staff member should receive an email just like this. Click on Connect and follow the instructions. Click Create a new account and set up a password. Any questions? We're right here at help@10to8.com. Bye now!